Welcome, this is episode 29. You're learning Choose Your Max and you're watching 5 Minute Max. Um, we are on the extended primitives right now and we'll be learning something new under 5 minutes. You guys have to promise that you guys are giving your 100% for just 5 minutes. It's nothing. It's nothing. Just commit, do it, and it will happen. You'll learn something. It's better than just like sitting around watching something. Really doesn't matter. Okay, let's move on. We are going on Spindle. Last time we have watched what oil tank was. Now let's highlight that one, Spindle, and it's basically extended primitives which has like most of the features that we have seen on an oil tank. You like create once, you go second, click, and like on the third one you just like create the conical shape over there. It's pretty much the oil tank with the pointy end on the top and the bottom. So what we can like do with this thing, if it's like actually the exact same thing, let's take a look how we can like explore the parameters. Let's increase the height first, and now the radius can be a little bit turn a little down, and let's turn on shaded, also edge faces. Now let's put some modifiers from the list. Let's shop for twist, and let's add what is the one that I'm looking for? Taper. Yep, both starts with T. Alright, why I have put this one and what are these, we'll be exploring them later in later episodes, but for now just like keep up with me. Let's try to reduce the sides to 6, and this one can be 1. Let's just like change this. This is the parameters for the taper modifier. If you click on the twist modifier, you will see different parameters. So each time you're clicking on anything on the box, the parameter rollouts will change. So be mindful that like they may be different for each different modifiers and also for the extended primitives. Alright, let's change the taper modifier, the amount. We can like go up and down. It already is creating like an interesting shape, you can see. If we can like put some height segments, it will become chubbier. Let's try to do that on the spindle. Now if we click on that, we can increase the height segments, and it will be something like that. Now let's go on twist now, and let's change it. So you can already see it's creating some interesting shape. So although this all started from the extended primitive, if we turn off the bulbs, you can see what it was originally. It was a plain old vanilla spindle, but just adding couple modifiers, you can just like create something something interesting shape, or something that will count or be part of your design. So that's what Max is all about. You can like create geometrical shapes from standard or extended primitives and add some modifiers to them and like create something interesting. So that's the basic functions of the spindle. But let's just like explore further what these are. There's also slice on, exactly like the oil tank or the sphere on standard primitives. It also has slice on, so we can like turn on the slice on and off. So it also creates, if you animate this one, it will definitely like will create something interesting as well. And we can also smooth and unsmooth the entire object. And if you want to like smooth them up even further, you can just like play with the side and also height segments as you wish. So that's pretty much about the spindle. We have added some extra modifiers in this tutorial, but we'll be going to the next one tomorrow. So up until then, take care.